are in the Mornington Peninsula this weekend, and as you can see behind me, beautiful view. We're at the Kings Falls Circuit Walk, so if you're in the area, come and check it out. I suppose we're about to find out where we are. It's sort of at the top of Arthur's Seat, so if you're at Arthur's Seat, drive around and come and have a look. Yeah, if you're in the Dramana area, come and check it out. So yeah, we'll find out what there is. Hey guys, so as you can see, we're now on the track. You can see the trail, like it's not too bad, it's well worn. You can't lose it, sort of thing. Awesome little spot to come and have a look. Yeah, it's just nice to, you know, come for a walk. You're not that far from Melbourne, and yeah, come and check out the sights. So the best thing about this walk, guys, is that we've come up out of some ferns and bits and pieces, and then you go up into like bushland sort of stuff, and then back down into, you know, like heavy dense ferns and stuff again. So the landscape is constantly changing along the walk, which makes it really cool. And best thing about it in here, there's hardly any wind. So it's, yeah, really cool. Come check it out. Surrounded by native trees that could easily be mistaken for pine trees. They are black she oaks and, unlike most trees, have separate male and female trees. The seed-bearing female cones may be found on the path or amongst the leaf litter. this is the view from the lookout area. Super nice, not a bad spot. And just down that way is the waterfall, and we've got water running today, which is even better. So yeah, well worth coming and having a look. Nice little spot, nice relaxing spot. Yeah, some awesome scenery to come and look at, so come and check it out. Well worth it. Guys, so we've just finished the walk. In my opinion, I think awesome. Come and have a look, come and check it out. Just go for a walk if you've got some time. Yeah, well worth it. The water's running today at the waterfall, so it's really nice just to sit and relax. Plus there's some awesome spots along just to look out over the water and out over the sea and stuff, so I reckon definitely worth coming and having a look. There's about 5 k's according to the GPS, but it might be a little bit different on Parks website or whatever, but going by what we've got, it was about 5 k's. So yeah, I reckon well worth checking out, and I think it took us about, so it was about an hour 40 for us, but it took a little bit long with the camera and getting all the shots and whatever. So yeah, just allow yourself around that if you want to take it slow or whatever, and yeah, come check it out. Again, it's not really accessible for wheelchairs and things, just as some tree roots and bits and pieces, but if you're able to walk and you can, and you've got some water and stuff, bring the kids, come and have a look. Yeah, well worth checking out. Thanks, guys.